everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out or sign out of Harbor Freight account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.harborfreight.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the main home page, once you're logged into your account, go and find the profile icon with your name in it at the top of the screen and click on the little drop down. Once you see the pop-up, click on the sign out option in order to log out of your harborfreight.com account. Now, soon after you're logged in, you can see that if you click on My Account at the top, you'll need to sign in back again to your account if you want to use harborfreight.com account. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of Harbor Freight. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.